Hey guys, welcome to Men's Health Co. My name is Evan, I'm the founder, and today I wanted to walk you through what it's like for our initial consultation. When your initial consultation begins, the first thing we do is we get to know you. We start by reviewing your background, any medications you're taking, your past medical history, drug allergies, simple, boring stuff, but critical information that gives us a safe foundation to work from. Then we move on to your lifestyle. We'll ask you about your current diet, exercise habits, any supplements you're using, and why. Because optimization isn't just a one-size-fits-all, it's contextual to you. And don't worry, if these things aren't optimized yet, we have plenty of time and a list of experts that can help you along the way. From there, we shift to your goals. What's important to you? Are you training for a competition? Maybe you're trying to lose weight. Are you struggling to keep up with your active kids and want to spend more time with them? Or maybe you're trying to reach some professional goals, closing big deals, going for that promotion. We work with men across the spectrum, from executives to athletes to dads. And your goals shape how we approach your hormone optimization. Then, once we understand your goals and your background, we walk step by step through your labs. We go through every lab that we test. We don't just tell you what's normal, we tell you what's optimal. We do this so that you can get to know why your testosterone may be low in the first place. That distinction matters because fixing low testosterone isn't only about replacing it, it's about understanding the root cause. Based on your labs, your symptoms, and your goals, we'll build a personalized protocol. That could include nutrition adjustments, lifestyle strategies, maybe it's a different training protocol, or a peptide, or TRT if you're a candidate. And if TRT isn't the answer, we'll tell you that too. But more importantly, we'll give you a path still to improve, even if it doesn't include us. By the end of your consultation, you'll leave with 3 things. The first is a clear understanding of your labs. The second is a targeted plan to optimize your health. And the third, someone you can rely on to help you execute, and a clear path forward from a team of experts that support you along the way. That's Men's Health Co. That's what we do. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel or visit our website. We have a free knowledge hub there that has blog posts, a video library, and even interesting articles that we find pertinent to TRT. Because our goal is to optimize you and welcome you to a community of other like-minded men who are doing the same. Welcome to Men's Health Co.